very beautiful, exquisite, very happy, ecstatic, very long, extensive, very fast, swift, very important, crucial, very clean, spotless, very tall, towering, very upset, distraught, very lazy, indolent, very fancy, lavish. Put on, take off, pick up, drop off, get on, get off, run after, run away, speed up, slow down. Ways to say thank you. No problem. You're welcome. Not at all. Don't mention it. No worries. My pleasure. Anytime. Happy to help. Go, go home. Go abroad. Go crazy. Go downtown. Go left. Go north. Go to. Go to work. Go to school. Go to church. Go to bed. Go to college. Go Go on. Go on vacation. Go on a cruise. Go on a trip. Go on a date. Go on a safari. Go on an adventure. Go to the movies. Go to the park. Go to the supermarket. Go to the airport. Go to the beach. Go to the bank. Go for it. Go for a run. Go for a walk. Go for a swim. Go for a normal versus native. You have to decide. Make up your mind. I am very tired. I am exhausted. I am listening to you. I am all ears. Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. I'm going to the gym. I'm heading to the gym. It's easy. It's a piece of cake. I want to buy this. I want to get this. Abbreviations. TBH. To be honest. NVM. Never mind. BTW. By the way. BRB. Be right back. LMK. Let me know. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. RN. Right now. AKA. Also known as IDK. I don't know. NA. Not applicable. Don't always say I don't know. Say this. Beats me. I have no clue. It's beyond me. I haven't got the slightest idea. Who knows? I'm not sure.